I decided to go ahead and get a new coil, and that should be coming in any day now. So, and then in the meantime, I thought I'd just go ahead and do this one in the meantime. So I'm not just doing something idle, not really getting anything done. Also, have a lot of people and everything who, I guess stihl must be a very popular type of brand, and it is and stuff. And I have a lot of people ask me, can you make, another a video of a stihl, some kind of like a stihl chainsaw or a stihl weed eater stuff. So I said okay, and then I just happened to get this one from the one guy, which is really good coincidence and stuff, or maybe a little bit too much coincidence. I don't know. I also have, if you remember more and more back and everything, I also have a stihl chainsaw that I took apart, and I need to put it back together and everything. Its stuff finally came in. It's parts and stuff finally came in. And the parts for the carburetor stuff, everything came in. So I'm going to go ahead and do a rebuild on that one and stuff to show you how I put it together and get that going, so I can get finished and run it. So so if you can see and everything, it just took me a little bit of time stuff to take this apart. The most problem I had and stuff is that there was a little bit of type of what do you call it? Some kind of a blue assembly glue or something like in here, and so almost made it very, very hard to take this out. And then I looked in here, and it was not a star drive, but it was Allen wrench. I needed an Allen wrench to get in here and take it apart. So I couldn't see that at first. So that's definitely an Allen wrench. Also, I can see that in there that there's a lot of rust and everything, so that's probably also helped it to stay in there so good. But other than that, also I can see that this guy here is needs a little bit cleaning up and everything. It has a lot of oil and stuff on the sides here for the drum part. I need to clean that out one of these days. I want to clean that out. Let me clean it out a little bit here. Okay, so there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good for now. And I'm also freezing my toes off here because it's really cold right now. Right now I'm doing this in my garage and stuff, and unfortunately the only thing I have is this small heater here to give me a little bit of heat, but unfortunately it's cooking my legs, but my toes are freezing to death. So it's not really much fun. It's better if I do this during the day. But I'm going to leave this off for now. If you guys are new to my channel, and if you feel like you really enjoyed this video and everything, please go ahead and subscribe to me. Put a like down, put a comment, or put a negative like or a dislike or a like. It doesn't matter to me. And put a comment and stuff. Ask a question if you like. I'll try to answer it if I can. Usually I can answer stuff pretty easy. I'm gonna try and hopefully I can get these really quick in about a week or two. I'll be having this put together soon. But first I'm going to do all this right here. All this is where the seals are, so I'm going to clean all these up. Basically the body is really clean, but the seals, I'm going to clean off all the seal parts and stuff so that it is all nice and clean. So when I put it together, I can put in new sealant, and and it'll be in really good shape. Okay guys, I'll see you later and have a great day. And remember guys, if the girls don't find you handsome, maybe they'll find you handy. See ya.